Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get ghost fruit in Blox Fruits. This highly sought-after elemental fruit offers unique and powerful abilities for both combat and exploration. We'll cover the primary ways to acquire it, from purchasing to finding it in the game world. Understanding these methods will significantly increase your chances of adding this fantastic fruit to your arsenal. Let's dive into the details of how you can obtain this elusive power. There are a few main ways to get your hands on the ghost fruit. You can purchase it from the Blox Fruit dealer, though it often comes with a substantial cost in Billy or Robux. Another common method is finding it randomly spawned under trees across various islands in the game world. Additionally, certain powerful bosses have a small chance to drop the ghost fruit upon defeat, making boss raids another viable option. To boost your chances, consider these helpful tips. Fruits typically spawn every 15 to 20 minutes, so regularly checking known spawn points is crucial. Using a private server can greatly reduce competition, allowing you more opportunities to find fruits. Also, always keep a good amount of Billy or Robux saved up, as the Blox Fruit dealer might have the ghost fruit in stock when you least expect it. Persistence is key. Once you acquire the ghost fruit, mastering its abilities is the next step. Its skills often involve spectral attacks, allowing you to deal damage from a distance, and even temporary intangibility, providing excellent defensive capabilities. This fruit is versatile, offering advantages in both offensive and defensive situations. Practice its unique movement and combat style to fully unleash its potential and dominate your opponents in Blox Fruits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.